Kevin? You say your name is Owen. Why did you write Kevin? Huh?
Owen.
But then you wrote Kevin over there. Your name says Kevin. So why did you write Kevin? Right, before we start the class, listen, okay, shh, everyone. I need you guys to, let me see.
Is this thing how do I know?
For Andy, Horace, Luna, and Sunny, okay? I don't have your Unit 5 text, right? So, what I want you to do, because you're not coming to school, right? I want you to take your phones, take a picture of your test, okay? And then send them to Sally so that I can look at them and mark them, okay? Okay? Remember, who owes me a test for Unit 5? Andy, Horace, Luna, and Sunny, okay? You need to do it today, okay? Because I want to mark it this weekend. If you give it on Monday, I will not look at the test. You will get 0. Okay? Do you understand? Perfect. If you don't understand, have Sally message me, and then because I need to put your marks on the system. All right. Okay. Let's start. So before we begin, all right. When the teacher is speaking, everyone else is quiet. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So first, remember the rules. So what is the first rule? The first rule is you need to be quiet. The second rule, you need to be who do you listen to? Who do you listen to? To the teacher and yourself, okay? No. Listen to me, but you also listen to each other, okay? So my classmate, okay? I listen to my classmate. And then what's the next rule? You need to be seated, okay? Yeah. And also, you need to, who knows how to raise their hand? Let's see, raise your hand quickly. Let's see. Not like that. Raise your hand on the system. Henry, on the system. On the platform.
No. Be quiet so we can raise a hand.
No, if you want to speak, you should raise it. I want to see you raising your hand. Okay, no.
You know, also raise hand is flag or counting click.
Oh, you cannot? Ah, that's strange.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's fine. Let's move on. Okay, for now, if you need to like say something, just show me your hand, okay? Yeah, Henry, like that's good. I'll listen to you guys. And also remember, you should always bring extra paper to class, okay?
No.
Yes, you need to always bring extra paper to class with your books. So books and extra paper.
Paper.
Good. All right. So now, first, we'll ask Bob. Let's listen to Bob. So Bob, how are you today? Henry. Bob, how are you today?
I'm happy.
You good? What did you do today? What did you do this morning? Huh?
I'm staying home.
Okay. All right, you stay at home. All right, good job, Bob. Oh, Tristan, how are you today?
I'm okay.
All right. So, what did you do this morning? In the home. Oh, you stayed at home?
Yes.
Were you sleeping? Were you reading? What did you do?
Ready.
Reading? All right. Henry, how are you today?
I'm happy.
I believe that. What did you do today, this morning? Where did you get up?
Playing
Oh, you
football.
played football. With who? With your mom or your dad? Or your friends? Or your dad? Nice. All right. Andy, what about you? How are you doing today?
I play basketball
Oh, you played basketball? With who?
with my friends.
Oh, with your friends. Oh, okay. So you can see your friends? Okay, that's nice. Oh, and how are you doing today?
Um, I make a gun with the paper.
Oh, you made a paper gun?
Yeah.
Who do you want to shoot with that paper gun? Where is he? Where did you go?
But it's not finished.
Oh,
But it's
do you like
finished and it can launch.
what? You must show us a picture later on. That's very interesting. All right, Owen. I'm very confused with your name now. All right, Luna, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Good. So what did you do this morning?
I paint a picture.
Ah, you painted a picture. Oh, nice. What did you paint?
I paint a picture for a dog.
Ah, that's so cute. All right. All right. Horace, how are you doing today?
I'm happy.
Good. So what did you do this morning?
I go to the supermarket.
Oh, alone? Just Horace, one person, or with your parents?
My mom.
Ah, with your mom. What did you buy?
Some food.
All right. All right. Sunny, how are you doing today?
I'm happy.
Good. So what did you do this morning?
I take my food.
Ah, okay. Let's see. Wow. Can you play us a note coding for 5 seconds? Let's hear. All right. Wow. So beautiful, Sunny. Wow. It's very beautiful. Thank you. All right, you guys. So today, you remember that it was supposed to be a test lesson, right? So before we start, okay, let's breathe first, okay? Let's be calm and do some breathing exercises, okay, for 1 minute. Hold on. Uh, Alright. We'll do this later. We'll do this later. Let's continue with the class. Because I can't find that video. Alright, you guys. So, what other classroom rules can you think of? So, remember we speak Chinese. And remember the point about for every 10 trophies, you get a $1. And again, no eating, drinking, or standing. What other rules can you think of for the classroom? Yes, Henry? Oh, it's everyone on which? Sorry. Yes, Henry?
No, Angela.
No, playing.
Okay, okay. So what should you be doing? You shouldn't be playing, you should be?
Then raise your hand.
Yeah. You should raise your hand. You should be raising your hand.
Teacher, why is Kevin 2 trophies?
Oh, no, I just want to see. Sorry. Who has a pen?
No me. Oh,
Somebody has a green pen.
come on.
Bob, your hand is raised. Bob, what do you want to say? Bob, say that again. Yes, that's a good one. Good, okay. Alright. Bathroom breaks during break time.
Next time.
Yes,
Break time.
that's a good one. Thank you, Bob.
What? Oh,
Okay, so everyone, let's check your homework. Open your homework books.
what time is it?
Page 74. Homework books, page 74. Yes. You see, Horace is fast. Horace is already showing me his homework. You can see Horace? Yeah, Horace, thank you. Kevin, Owen, sorry, thank you. Luna, thank you. Sunny, thank you. Thanks, Andy. Thanks, Henry.
I don't even see his own teacher. Bring inside, so inside.
Page 74, right? Page 1000. Teacher,